Guys, we are back with a new EXO video. Today we are checking out a live performance stage of White Noise plus Thunder plus Playboy plus Artificial Love. I'm very excited. I have not heard any of these songs, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, we're gonna have a fresh look at the stage performance. And yes, guys, Happy New Year. This is my official first EXO video of 2022 and I'm really excited for our journey and everything that's gonna happen. This year I'm gonna put out so much content. Also on my Patreon, I'm gonna make a special K-pop tier where we're gonna watch lots of fun things, EXO Next Door, and I'm gonna add K-dramas of EXO members because there's this new K-drama with Sehun in it. Now We're Breaking Up, I think it's called, and I really want to watch it, so I thought I might as well watch it together. So I'm really excited for all the things that are gonna happen. And yeah, make sure to subscribe and give us a like, and let's go. Also, I watched the Kai interview with that Indian interviewer. So good, so insightful. I really enjoyed it. So yes, EXO 2022, let's go. Already ranked by my own bias. Hey. This is Lay. It's Lay. Wait, am I mistaken? Wait, those jeans are very tight.
I hear you, I feel you. 볼 수가 없어도 날 들을 수 있어. 눈을 감고서 이 세상 모든 소리 중에 너를 찾아내면 내 작은 웃음소리.
Guys, I love you so much. I am obsessed now.
Don't you worry, baby.
Is it raining on them or outside them? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Wow, this song is good.
혼자서 물어보는 너의 안부 한정마저 답변한 후 날 스쳐간 소음들 속에 혹시나 지나칠지 모를 희미한 숨호흡까지 이 바람은 왠지 널 지나쳐 왔을지도 몰라 순간 멈춘 모든 게 꿈 같아 여전히 새하얀 안개 속에서 나는 길을 잃은 somebody.
This is making me miss concerts so much.
잡을 수가 없었던 잠시 전 소던 내 곁에 없어 너는 내 안에 있어 눈을 감고서
Chance, boy.
모든 소리 중에 너를 찾아내면 돼.
Kai. Oh my god. Mr. Kai. Don't look at me like this. Ooh, are we getting a slow song?
반짝 짧게 빛났었던 행복 속에 취해 저 기억의 빛에
The multitasking Lord.
닿을 수 없는 그곳에 너는 이미 가 있어 난 번개처럼 잠깐 빛났다 잠시 세상을 밝혔다 온 세상을 바치 내 것처럼 나에게 보여주고 떠났다 지금처럼 늦었다 나는 이제야 널 찾는다 보보보보보 뒤늦게 소리내 널 부른다
Oh my.
나는 이제야 알아 이제야 너를 알아
Thunder.
너를 잡고 싶어 너무 멀리 가버렸나 봐 시간이 갈수록 너와 나 멀어져 이미 넌 저 멀리 있어 또 누군가의
Oh, Kai.
위치되어
Right.
있겠지
That's very dangerous.
아주 빨랐다 우린 너무나 달랐다 그 사이 시간의 차이가 함께 할 수 없는 공간이 됐다 천둥처럼 늦었다 나는 이제야
If it started walking towards me, I'd be like fainting.
뒤늦게 소리내 널 부른다
I need dance practice on this. That's cool.
너를 잡고 싶어 너를 따라간다 따라간다 쫓아간다 쫓아간다 찾아간다 찾아간다 점점 더 멀어져 시간의 벽을 넘어 너를 찾아간다 지금은 달라도 시작은 같았다 아직 돌아갈 수 있다고 믿어 지금 하나 둘 줄을 세면 우리 거를 잰다 Playboy
Oh my god.
있는 전화도 받지 마 조용히 두자 우리도 말고 아무도 알려줄 필요도 없잖아 그대로 두자 왜 걱정하는 넌 괜찮아 괜찮아 네 마음 전부 알고 있어 괜찮아 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 보여줘 네 비밀을 다 까맣게 덮여진 내 맘은 your place 밝게 타버린 네 맘은 my place 질릴 수 없는 게 당연한 이 place
Damn, those choreographies are so good.
까맣게 잊혀진 내 말은 my face 하얗게 사라진 네 말은 your trace 돌릴 수 없는 게 당연한 이 play
나 혼자 정리됐어 이 맞춤 한번 됐어 나 같은 놈 만나가 너 행운을지 야견을지 갈래지도 갈래길 yes 꼭 잠을 삼키는 whiskey 널 뜨겁게 더 들뜨게 나 만들게
내가 못됐지 하지 말란 걸 더 즐겨 난 말했듯 아직 시작도 안 한 main game 더 밀고 날 당겨봐 이 자신 넘쳐 난 이렇게 매일 신선한 외로움을 살래 난 나 멈출 수 없다고 너도 마찬가지잖아 그냥 날 놓치기 싫잖아 까맣게 덮여진 내
Thank you.
your place 밝게 타버린 네 마음은 my place 질릴 수 없는 게 당연한 이 place
Oh, he said, come to me.
잊혀진 내 마음은 my face 하얗게 사라진 네 마음은 no trace 돌릴 수 없는
Not Kai pointing at me. Did he do this? right? I love you. Oh, we have Kings. Artificial lover? Again with this. Who is choreographing these?
평면적인 너와 나의 관계 자격 있는 사랑은 지 너의 한계 왜곡된 감각과 불투명한 시대의 경계 She don't love me 내겐 Artificial love 순결했던 너의 Artificial love 뭐가 진실이고 거짓인지 말해
Why are all their songs so sexy?
Can't trust this You got that 거짓 미소 거짓 눈물 거짓 사랑 그게 바로 너의 아닌 걸 알면서도 널 찾게 되는 난 안 될 걸 알면서도 포기는 싫은 난
I may or may not have Google background service, and I saw things, and now
You know why? Artificial lover She don't love me 그래 Artificial love Artificial love 뭐가 진실이고 거짓인지 말해
how can the crowd handle this? Like, how many girls are fainting right now in this crowd? Super catchy. Wow, the stage is insane. It goes like.
Turn it up.
Why are we blindfolded? Oh my god, they're going up! This is so dangerous. Oh my god, this is so dangerous. I don't like it. Oh wow. Wow, what year was this? This was insane. Oh, wow. This was so good. Also, I'm so happy that I got to listen to more songs that I've never heard before. So if those have music video, then now I can watch the music video. Oh, I loved White Noise and Thunder. Okay, and then there was Playboy. Was Playboy? Artificial Love was the one with the cane. Thunder, Bad the Thunder. Okay, so wow, this was so good. The stage is amazing. Ugh, their concert must be insane. I want to watch like the entire concert, but I don't think I can react to it because I'm not sure of copyright and blocking. But yes, guys, you have to let me know if there's one concert I have to watch. What concert would it be? Like, what is the #1 concert for you? Because I've seen a lot on YouTube already, so I might go and watch one. Wow, this is so good. Also, I loved the entire like stage, like black, dark, very sexy, provocative. They are super sexy. I didn't know that. I see another side now because I feel like I've watched so many of the crackhead funny moments and I just see them as clowns. And now, guys, oh my god. After like watching the season 1, episode 1 of EXO Arcade, I swear, Dio is so funny. I love it so much. I love Dio and I love Hyunjin. Of course, Baker my bias. Kai, it does something to me. Chanyeol and Chan's voices. Oh, guys. Oh, guys. This was so good. I'm so glad that I watched this one. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and give us a like. And let me know your thoughts down below. And yes, I will see you in the next video. Bye.